people are saying, as a matter of fact, Skumba, Tembisa and Katlehong are pretty much the same.
Never. Angeke, never. You never. Nyala. Tembisa kuna order. Tembisa kuna makasi angeko. La kuna makasi kaslam. La kuna kasi wathi Mthambeka. Tembisa. Mthambeka kuna ATM for obvious reasons.
What are the obvious reasons?
Ufuna ATM Mthambeka. Ufuna kuna ATM lela lokish. Lalela Mthambeka is the only kasi ambulance ngathi ya renka. Sekaslam. Hey, bravo bazakwaza lapha. Lapha wonke umuntu ubamba inkunzi and they specialize khona basidila ngama silver, khona bamaphepha, khona bama-wash, khona bama-phone.
Lantshontsho.
Abatshontsho basicelela nje bazokuba bese cela iwave. Ikaslam Mthambeka. Mthambeka lalehela Mthambeka kuna ATM. Ikhona mhlambe isendlini omunye uGrootman eyi1. kaBrabiza. Yeah. Isendlini kwakhe. Ebusuku. Brabiza. Sakol draw. Ngilele. ATM sejardini. Uyitshontshile wayifaka kwakhe endlini. Mthambeka ubaza abantu baseMthambeka wena. Abantu baseMthambeka banokushada umshado isegarage. Umakoti ufaka iRoyal Orange. La kucleavage ikobi okap la. Waza Samson. Yes mshado unokumela umakoti kumele umkhonyana waza Samson simengawe. Samson akaphuzanga into yala. Yes ngijaha. Ngibambeni nja. Unisakona wasezayoni or wasewesela umtholi kahle. Garage. Babathi ayikho ngoba tsantsara kuvula igarage umnyango uza. Basegarage. Khonyana umeka nje. Kweni nifuna nginika address wrong shada Mthambeka hayi like kunama antique unokufika la kasuthi lakuse museum or hey laban kule assignments eMthambeka
Yo.
yini hayi
Problems.
No.
ingcono mari kahlongo yonke kahlongo ikahlongo Yakadong bangigijimise ngide bese bangibona ngosikhomba sebagijima bayeze emotweni nami senyagijima sengizenza celebrate nami yangena nyabaleka umunye uthi yema batshontshe sipewe.
What is jazz?
Great Maluka, we're talking about Jazzori and some exciting ideas. I wanted to start with the website.
Yeah.
We've got a platform where we've posted quite a number of dialogues and engagements.
Yeah, it's called jazzori.fm. It's basically a presentation of the idea around the masterclass and what we had in mind. It covers the history of jazz and the many interventions that have come around. So yeah, we urge all our listeners to check it out and give us some feedback, and please contribute some thoughts, stuff you know that we may not know that would form part of the masterclass would be interesting for us to pick up on.
The Jazzori Masterclass on Kaya FM 95.9.
The Gautrain invites you to top up your Gautrain Gold Card, ride the Gautrain and discover Gauteng this festive season, right through until the 17th of January 2016, when Gauteng's hustle and bustle goes to sleep. The festive cheer comes alive. Park at any of the Gautrain stations, do a return Gautrain trip and pay just R1 per day for parking.